The first module we'll explore in the Model Maker application is the MDX module. This feature is crucial when building your analytic applications because it allows you to create an MDX collection. From this collection, you can directly translate your queries into dynamic MDX, which can be utilized across various components in the application, such as read tables and drop-down lists. Upon entering the MDX module, you'll find the option to create a new MDX collection. By clicking on the New MDX button, you can start by naming your MDX query. For example, I'll name mine UI headcount MDX because I am crafting an MDX query specifically for one of the grid tables in the headcount section of our Knowledge Academy application. Once you click Create, the interface shifts to the second column of the screen where you can actually write the MDX query. At the top of this block, there's an option to expand your workspace to full view, which can be quite helpful as you develop the MDX query. You also have the flexibility to toggle between writing MDX and setting expressions directly. If you switch to expression, you can input set expressions without sticking strictly to the MDX format. Additionally, there's a Run MDX button, which I'll demonstrate later. When you add this MDX to your collection, you've already provided a title. There's a limit for running the MDX here in this module. This limit helps prevent excessively long wait times by restricting the result to a certain number of cells. You can also designate whether this MDX entry should be public or private. Making it public allows anyone connected to the same TM1 server to see your MDX, whereas setting it to private restricts visibility to yourself only. Now I'll go full screen and paste my prepared MDX here, parsing it a bit for clarity. I've created a simple MDX designed for use in a straightforward grid table in the application. For the columns, the year 2024 is set as a full year for each employee, drawing data from the headcount queue. In the rows, I currently specify a subset of employees. As I mentioned earlier, if this MDX is used in an analytic application, you have the opportunity to make the subset name dynamic. By parameterizing the subset name and linking it to a drop-down list in your logic application, the results selected from the drop-down can dynamically influence the subset used in the MDX query, ensuring it runs with the current selection. Initially, however, you must add the MDX to the collection with specified static parameters. In the Where section of my example, I pin specific versions using the organization unit, line item as FTE, and the measure as the value I wish to query. Should there be any syntax errors in the MDX, it won't run until those errors are corrected. Once fixed, you can run the MDX to view the results. In the third section of the MDX module, you can select how you'd like to view the results, whether as a table, a JSON tree, or in pure JSON format, depending on the application's needs. Furthermore, if you're looking to evaluate a single string expression or a specific expression, you can set the module to expression mode, write only the expression part, and run it. The result will then reflect only the outcome related to the expression you crafted. This flexibility allows you to run both full MDX queries and individual expressions, adapting to various needs within your analytic applications.